I talk to lots of people about starting and growing cleaning businesses, and they all usually have two things in common. Number one, in whatever they're currently doing, they are typically underpaid, undervalued, or underappreciated, and in many cases, all three. And number two, despite those things, they are typically a little fearful of taking the next steps in their cleaning business. So a good solution, especially if this describes you, is to start your cleaning business as a side hustle. Not only is this a super profitable and flexible way to get started, but it may be just the boost you need to finally take control of your work life and build what you want. So in this video, I am breaking down two different side hustle cleaning business models for you, so you can stop feeling stuck and take some action. Let's get to it. So model number one is for you if you currently work a day job. Your hours might vary, but for the sake of this video, let's say you work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. In this case, I would recommend you find one or two commercial cleaning clients, specifically offices, that are open the same hours that you currently work. This means they are closed nights and weekends, giving you a wide range of hours that you can fit in the cleaning. Now, I have students charging anywhere between $40 and over $100 per hour cleaning, depending on their experience level and the market they operate in. But let's just say your experience and market can support $55 per hour. Here's the income you could generate only doing this as a side hustle. You find a single office to clean, and each cleaning is 2 hours long. After factoring in holidays, there are on average 21 working days a month for businesses open Monday to Friday. So $55 times 2 hours times 21 nights a month equals an extra $2,310 per month. I know that may sound like a lot for a business to pay for cleaning every month, but trust me, there are many businesses who have monthly budgets to support that, and many businesses with budgets well beyond that. A good business owner understands that for them to have an office, they have to maintain it. And most small office businesses like lawyers, medical offices, banks, insurance agents, and so on have a budget for that maintenance. So you just need to find them and pitch your services. A variation of this could be that you find two commercial clients. Some need Monday through Friday cleaning, but others don't. So maybe you clean one office Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you clean another one Tuesday and Thursday. Either way, the math works out the same, and you're on your way to a $27,000 a year side hustle. Just one tip before we move on to business model number two. You might consider setting a minimum amount per cleaning. In my cleaning business, I always enforce a 2-hour per cleaning minimum to even consider taking on a new commercial client. This ensures you're making as much money as you can in as little time as possible. There are clients out there who may legitimately only need 1 hour of cleaning per night, especially if it's a small office. I just prefer to go after larger quality clients and fewer of them, but do what makes sense for your schedule, market, and financial goals. Model number two is for you if you currently work nights, or if you have some flexibility during your daytime hours. In this case, I would recommend you find some residential cleaning jobs. So let's say you can take on a cleaning job 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The time residential jobs take can vary quite a bit due to the frequency of the cleaning, the condition of the home, and what you're being asked to do, but many are in the 3-hour range. So going with the $55 hourly rate, you're looking for 3 jobs a week. For instance, one each on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So $55 times 3 hours per cleaning times 3 jobs a week equals an extra $1,980 per month. Now, if right about now you're thinking, that sounds like a lot of new clients to have to get every month, then let me introduce you to the power of repeat customers. Some residential clients like every other week cleanings, while many others want weekly. So say your Wednesday client is weekly and your Monday and Friday clients are every other week. In that case, you would need just 5 clients. And you're well on your way to a $26,000 a year side hustle. And the same tip I mentioned in commercial applies here too. You will find lots of residential clients who only want to hire you for 1 hour or maybe 2, but depending on your goals, you may want to set a minimum. Remember, more clients equals more travel time and more customer service. So your goal is to get quality clients to maximize your time and income. Now, one of the biggest questions I get asked is, do you and your students really charge as much per hour as you say in your videos? Yes, And in fact, I have some students charging more per hour than my cleaning business does. And this is because I've helped them research their target market, and we've found that their ideal clients will absolutely support those higher rates. But in addition to that, they also avoid the 3 mistakes I break down in this video right here. So be sure to watch that video next, and don't worry, it's free.